In this video, we will look at one of the limitation of LTspice. Okay, in LTspice, step command is very important tool, which is basically used to step through a parameter in several steps. Like for example, we have a resistor divider here, where the bottom resistor is R. Okay, and this variable R can be stepped through values of 1k, 2k, 3k till 5k in steps of 1k using the step command. Okay, and the parameter here is R. Okay, so now similarly what we did is we created another three resistors in this particular network which are parallel to the top resistor, and what we are basically doing is we are actually giving the step option for these as well. Now in this case, when we try to run, okay, you can see here there is a pop-up that is coming. Only three dimensions can be dot stepped. That means LTspice has a restriction that only up to three step commands can be used. For example, if we try to do this as 2k, okay, instead of a resistor, and eliminate x3. Okay, now when we run this, you can see the simulation runs. So those are further steps which again are a generic step which we'll be taking. That means the restriction here is only three step dot step commands can be used, operations can be used in a LTspice simulation, which is a basic limitation in this LTspice.